so much, of course. And of course, habang siya'y kumakanta ng Thinking of You, Still Loving You, talaga namang natunaw at manlambot tayong lahat, hindi ba? Yes! So, Mino, could you say something sweet for our Filipino Minos? Like, for example, mahal kita.
mahal kita. 제 기억 속에 mahal kita 뒤에 꽃가요는 뭐죠?
I remember last time, mahal kita ko kayo. Anong ibig sabihin ng ko kayo?
Mahal ko kayo.
mahal 꽃가요.
Mahal kita is just like that. 1:1. Mahal kita. Koyo is like everyone.
그래서 꽃가요거든.
네, okay.
mahal 꽃가요.
Yeah! Very good! Alright.
꽃가요. 1대1은 mahal kita.
Yes, yes, that's
Pag,
right.
pag one-on-one, mahal kita.
Yes. Okay. Let's now take our seats and proceed to our next segment, diba? May Filipino Lessons 101 pa dito. I love it. So in this segment, we will get to know more about our beloved actor, Lee Min-ho. And it's time for Iconic Character Gongryong Upgrade segment! There you go, where we will revisit his most iconic drama roles, especially his recent role from When the Stars Gossip. Yes, of course. And as we all know, When the Stars Gossip has been incredibly popular here in the Philippines. So let's dive into Minho's Guide to Romance with some of his most heart-fluttering at nakakakilig na characters. Play video.
다시 시작했습니다. 그렇습니다. 1년 뒤에 당신 곁에 아무도 없다면 나를 기억해줘요. 나랑 만나봅시다. 기다릴게요.
헛되게 계속 다니고 싶어? 그럼 지금 보여줄게. 나는 진짜 너무 힘들었어. 오늘부터 이제는 이 구준표 여자친구를 가장 직접으로 발표하는 그러니까 앞으로 이 구준표라는 것과 동일한 것을 만들 테니까 따라합니다.
Alright. So, naku, kilig na kilig naman tayo lahat dyan. The first in the Minho's Ultimate Guide to Romance is all about confession. Yan.
제가 궁금한 게요. 여러분들은 약간 그 공룡처럼 이렇게 조심스럽게 당신 좋아해도 됩니까? 이런 게 좋아요? 아니면 약간 구준표처럼 또는 김탄처럼 야, 나 좋아해 라고 하는 게 좀 박력이 있는 게 좋으신가요?
Well, I have a question for all of you. Ano bang talaga gusto ninyo? Do you like the Kumryong na medyo parang mahihiling and very careful ang pag-approach when you confess? Or do you actually like the Kujumpyo's charm? Or gusto niyo parang napaka-powerful na
궁금해요. 그
like
필리핀은
Kim
보통 어느 쪽인가요?
So I really want to know what do Filipino Minos like?
Yes, what do you guys like? What do you think about the Junpyo? It seems like parang dito Gujunpyo, dito Kimtan, parang like that.
네, 그러니까 어쨌든 필리핀은 조금 더 남자답게라고 하기는 그렇지만 어쨌든 좀 박력 있게 있는 그대로 딱 얘기하는 걸 더 선호하시나 보죠.
So I guess yung sagot is in the Philippines, yung mga Filipino Minos, gusto niyo medyo parang malakas, yung parang katulad ni Kujumpyo na may power, yung ba yung gusto niyo?
좀 조심스럽고 이런 거보다.
Kahit sa may mga medyo mahihihin ng approach.
Yes, I don't think so. I don't think so. Yeah. So actually, the question is, assuming that this is from Minho standing in the girl's point of view, which of the three would be a total deal breaker? How about you, if you're the girl? what would be
제가
like,
용납할 수 없는
yes, if you're the girl, what would be like, parang di ko yan type. Ganon.
Yung hindi ko type.
No, parang deal breaker pa.
세 명 중에
Oh, among the three.
So, pili ako sa kanila.
Oh.
근데 세 명 다 약간 그 고백에 진심이 있어서 사실
Pero kasi yung sila, lahat sila very sincere at may point din naman yung approach nila, di ba?
Tama nga naman.
저는 사실 진정성 없는 고백만 아니면 될 것 같아요.
So for me, I think as long as it's heartful and sincere, kahit anong klase, the way it is said, I don't think it really matters.
That's true din. Point ka rin naman doon. Tama rin naman. As long as galing sa puso at kaluluwa ang confession, correct? Okay. Now the question now is, out of the three characters, which one do you think resembles your real personality the most?
김탄
Definitely Kim Tan.
Parang masaya kayo doon. Parang gusto niyo yun.
네, 적당한 자신감과 그리고 적당한 배려가 섞여 있는 김탄이 딱 중간이거든요. 지금
Kasi di ba si Kim Tan, parang siya yung nasa gitna. He has the perfect balance of the confidence and medyo, also understanding the girl. So I think it's Kim Tan who shows the perfect.
Yan! Alright, okay. I love that, I love that. Happy ba kayo sa sagot niya? Perfect. Now let's move on to the second part. Video, please.
몇 번 했다가는 귀가 찢어지겠네요.
Siguro kung makikiss pa ako, siguro wala na ako marinig dahil ang lakas ng mga sigaw.
Uy! Pwede mo palakasan yung aircon dito sa Moa Arena? Okay, so the second part was all about the Kiss Masterclass. Out of the three kisses, which one do you think carried the most meaning in terms of the storyline? Usapang storyline to, about the storyline.
저는 일단 키스에는 정석이 없다고 생각하고요.
Well, for me, I really don't think there's any like a master class how to learn how to kiss.
그리고 이런 씬을 찍을 때 어떻게 해야겠다라고 생각하고 하는 게 아니기 때문에
And
제
every
기억이 나지 않습니다.
And every time I film or shoot this kissing scenes, I really don't like have this certain way paano ako mag-kiss. I just really go on with the flow of the stories. I don't really
So, wala siyang memory, ano? Okay. Then, the next question is, which kiss scene took the most takes to get right? And how many takes?
NG가 많이 났던 거는 그 무중력 키스 씬이 NG가 많이 났습니다.
Yung pinakamarami talaga mga retakes was the one I had to do with zero gravity, yung pinaka-latest.
이게 자꾸 위치가 안 맞아가지고
Kasi hindi ko talaga makuha-kuha yung location, yung hindi kami magkatugma.
That's true, di ba? Medyo mahirap yun, no? Ganun-ganun sila. Tama na. That's true. Are you satisfied with his answers? Alright, thank you so much. Now we've seen Minho's Guide to Romance featuring not just Kung Myung, but in various unforgettable characters portrayed by Minho. He never fails to awaken our romantic senses with his roles. Now, let's give Minho a big round of applause. Palakpakan naman ulit natin siya. And we will let him step away for a while so he may prepare for our next segment. Alright, thank you so much.
이따 뵙겠습니다.
Yeah.
See you in a while.
Happy pa kayo, guys?